Hey everyone, we all know how important it is to keep our heart healthy, right? We often think about our brain, liver, and other major organs, but there's one crucial organ that works tirelessly, without breaks, and barely gets any attention: our kidneys. Yes, these tiny, behind-the-scenes workers are essential for your health, but we often overlook them. Now here's the shocking truth: kidney disease is on the rise, and once your kidneys fail, there's no going back. But what if I told you that you could naturally strengthen your kidneys by simply making a few changes in your diet? Today, we're diving into 10 superfoods that work like magic for your kidneys. And stay tuned, because one of these foods can even prevent kidney stones, but you're probably eating it wrong. Let's start with the most basic yet powerful thing your kidneys need: water. Yes, water is vital for keeping your kidneys functioning properly. Did you know your kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood every single day? That's a lot of work for something the size of your fist. So, make sure you're drinking enough water to help them flush out toxins efficiently. Here's a simple test. If your urine is dark yellow, you need to hydrate more. Clear or light yellow, you're on the right track. Next up, cranberries. You might have heard of cranberries being good for urinary tract infections, but did you know they also protect your kidneys? Cranberries contain antioxidants that help prevent oxidative damage. But here's the catch: make sure you're drinking unsweetened cranberry juice, or better yet, add dried cranberries to your salads or oatmeal. Wait, do you think dried cranberries are better than fresh ones? Let me know in the comments. I'll be reading every single one. Moving on to red bell peppers. These are packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, and they're low in potassium, which makes them a kidney-friendly option. You can roast them, add them to salads, or even have them raw as a snack. Trust me, they're not just good for your kidneys, they're delicious too. Cabbage might seem boring, but it's a superhero for your kidneys. It's full of phytochemicals that protect your kidneys from harmful free radicals. And the best part? It's affordable. So even if red bell peppers seem a bit pricey, cabbage is an excellent alternative. Are you a cabbage fan? Or do you skip it at the grocery store? Drop a comment below. Now, here's something you might not know: blueberries. These little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in your kidneys. You can toss them into smoothies, oatmeal, or just snack on them straight out of the fridge. Plus, they satisfy that sweet craving without the sugar rush. Don't forget about fish, especially those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon or mackerel. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, which in turn reduces the strain on your kidneys. Aim for fish in your meals at least twice a week for a kidney-friendly boost. Garlic and onions. These two are not just for flavoring your dishes, they're packed with anti-inflammatory properties that improve kidney function. Try eating raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach with warm water. And when it comes to onions, eating them raw in salads gives you the maximum benefits. Now, let's talk about a food we all love: apples. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but did you know apples can also help lower cholesterol and improve kidney efficiency? Make sure you eat them with the skin on, because that's where most of the nutrients are. Egg whites are another fantastic food for your kidneys. Unlike other protein sources, egg whites are low in phosphorus and high in high-quality proteins, which are great for kidney health. Try having an egg white omelette, or simply add boiled egg whites to your salads. And finally, olive oil. This isn't just for your heart. Olive oil contains oleic acid, an anti-inflammatory agent, and antioxidants that protect your kidneys from oxidative damage. Drizzle it on your salads or use it in your cooking to keep those kidneys strong. So, there you have it. 10 foods that are secretly working wonders for your kidneys. But remember, it's not just about what you eat. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, staying away from alcohol and tobacco, and maintaining a healthy weight to truly support your kidney health. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you want more tips on keeping your body in top shape, subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your loved ones because we all deserve healthy kidneys. Oh, and don't forget to drop a comment below about your favorite kidney-friendly food. Take care of yourself, stay curious, and keep learning something new every day to stay healthy. Until next time.